Hey viewers, it's summer. We're at less than full pressure right now because there's water flowing out of the hose. I'll get to that in a moment. But apparently you can't use this hose under high pressure. Resting pressure is 120 psi, especially when it gets warm. It was okay when it was cool, but when it gets warm, it's it balloons out. I have not been running the turbine because there's not enough water to really make much power. We haven't gotten rain in 17 days, and I've been using the water from the spring for watering a whole bunch of things like the yard. So all this grass is stuff I've been trying to get growing, and it actually looks pretty good right now. And then I was using the hose down here to water some plants that I replanted down there. We're doing some landscape in front of the business and wanted to remove those. Got some black-eyed Susans here, got some wildflowers, got some more black-eyed Susans, so I was watering those. And, well, the hose said, "I've had enough," and blew out.